In this crash test, these are products that have failed on the market in the crash test simulation. Thank goodness those are fake dogs.
We are passionate about pet safety. That's why we have created the safest way for you to confidently travel with your small pet. We are pleased to introduce the Rocketeer Pack.
I know. It may look silly, guys.
Oh my God!
It may look silly, but trust us. The Rocketeer Pack is the only way to go.
Wait, we can't hear you. Hyenas are laughing.
There's no way. Come on. You gotta be kidding.
I know it looks silly, guys, but trust us, the Rocketeer Pack is the only way to go. We're gonna let Bentley demonstrate how it works.
Yes, I want to
Bring it on,
see this.
Bentley.
So, the back of the harness attaches to the Rocketeer Pack like so. Isn't Bentley looking so stylish in his harness?
You're velcroing the dog to the seat.
There's Velcro in the back of the harness, which helps hold the dog in place while you adjust the tummy strap. You free the tail, you pull up on the center buckle, you secure the shoulders.
And drugs were not involved?
No?
He's fine. Look at him.
How can he possibly be happy like that?
What beats the alternative?
What are you talking about? Dogs like to stick their head out the window.
You adjust the straps, and he's in. So you guys are probably thinking, why is he suspended a couple inches above the seat? Which is ideal positioning to protect the spine. Bentley is comfortable, but most importantly, he's safe.
Is he scared in there?
He's just really nervous.
You know what it's like pitching.
This is the exact same test that you just saw those other products fail miserably in. This is our product, the Rocketeer Pack, passing with perfect scores. But that's not all. The Rocketeer Pack comes with front and backpack attachments. So when you reach your destination, you and your pooch can navigate those busy
I like that
streets
too.
together.
I like the other
It's
application.
like a baby carrier.
That's a great idea.
There must be other products that do this, right?
No, this is one we have a patent.
You mean nobody else
a
has
seatbelt for a
I've
dog?
seen people strapping on dogs on bikes.
Oh yeah, they do, but they're not crash tested and they're not safety approved.
How much does it cost?
It costs $160.
Oh,
what?
That's expensive. And what's
Is
it
that
cost you to
because
make?
You're making
It costs us
here?
$36 to make.
Oh, that's a huge margin.
So what are your sales?
Right now, our sales is $180,000, and we just launched it in November.
Where are you selling them in?
We're selling only on our website.
So how are you driving traffic then?
It's all organic and word of mouth.
That was pretty funny, man.
They last for a long time.
Yeah. So, again, listeners at home, this product, Zugo Pet, it's basically a restraining device for pets, that basically holds them like a small child against the seat. Looks ridiculous, but apparently it's effective.
Yeah.
Can you imagine putting your full-grown golden doodle?
No, and
in that?
there was a part, can you hear me okay? I just switched audio. Yeah, I mean, this would be an enormous lift. Kevin O'Leary was like, are drugs involved to get the dog in there? Because they put these small animals, I think that seems more reasonable, but any animal over maybe 20 pounds, 30 pounds, nah, not gonna have it. You could just see the dirt, everything, just maybe it's peeing up in the air, I don't know. So one cool thing though on the patent side, and it was neat that they do have a utility patent for it. I want to show what happened here, and you can see right on Google Patents when you research these, it shows the timeline pretty clearly. And I won't dig into the whole details of the app, the patent, but you can see just by typing in the name of the person that pitched, Carolyn Schufelt, as the inventor.
Yeah.
You can go over here. You can see what happened. She filed in 2013. It was an older video. And they probably were on Shark Tank around 2016 or so. It was granted here in 2016, published. So granted actually before it published, but it publishes through the Gazette. And unfortunately it was expired. So they didn't pay their fees, right? Probably their first 3.5-year patent maintenance. So it's expired early, right? So normally this would have been all the way out to 2033. They could own the rights out to, but it's expired early. And so anyone out there that is interested in this business model, you are allowed. There is no way for them to enforce this patent against you, even though it would potentially have a life that extends well into the 2030s. This is an interesting way. Some businesses, get into business this way and kind of see, oh, some of the patents are expired early. It's part of the public domain. The only catch is sometimes there are ways to revive and abandon, revive an expired patent. As long as you can, if you're the patent owner, if you can explain that there was some financial hardship, some true emergency that occurred in your life. But if you do some diligence, perhaps, and maybe you get something in writing or confirm that there was really no emergency or no issue or fire, right, that caused them to miss their deadline to file, then you're likely free to use it. So I always kind of have a little bit of a caveat there that if you're looking to go to market with a product that's an expired patent, you should certainly go into it with some caution, and maybe even consider looking at other patents as well. You might be stepping on toes of other patent holders, and it may be worthwhile for you to do one of these with freedom to operate. That's what FTO stands for, to kind of consider all of your options, make sure you're not infringing anyone else. But yeah, I thought it was a pretty good pitch.
Yeah, good pitch. Kind of a cool product. We actually at Bold have a client who has a pet restraining device.
That's right. That's
all I'll say about that. But pretty cool.
Yeah, right.
People will spend anything on their pets. So
true. I'll soon find out. We're talking about hiring a trainer, talking about going to getting the grooming done.
Yep.
He's got some nails
Did you get
coming in.
You get the pet insurance?
No, I didn't know. See, no.
So that would be my recommendation. Is like, you just got the puppy, get pet insurance on him, because if he's going to do something,
for potential bites or just causing harm to other.
Just for his own health, because if he's going to have health problems, it's generally going to be in that first year or two that you're going to find out about him. So, our first dog had a lot of health problems the first year, so we wish we would have had pet insurance.
Super wise. Very good.
Might be worth the $60 a month.
Yeah,
for the first year or so.
I'll definitely make that call. Thank you. Good stuff. Well, I think that's about all. Matt, do you want to share anything else on that? Did they file? Did you look up Zugo on the trademark side?
I did. Yeah, they have quite the portfolio. So they have a number of different trademark registrations, something like 4 different registrations, all still live registered. But it doesn't seem like they're. Are they still in business? Did you look them up by chance?
I didn't pull. I could do it right now. I mean, Zugo. Sure.
But I don't know what Zugo means, but Zugo Pet is registered.
Yeah, nothing's popping up. I think they may have fizzled out. Looks like nothing's really showing up. Yeah, but one quick note: there was in that pitch a mention of those two are not necessarily. They didn't start out. There was the inventor, right? That lady. I think her name was Julie. I forget. She licensed, or she basically found this investor to bring this product to market. And sometimes that's what it takes. Obviously, this appears to be a flop in the end, but oftentimes an inventor is not the best business owner. And so that woman knew it, right? She needed some money, some funding, found someone that was willing to put in $200,000. It's a ton of money. And it's a very cool option post-grant for an inventor to go look for ways to move your product to market. And you don't have to do it yourself. You can find someone else, partner up. And that's why I highly recommend getting with a business attorney to get that in writing. Anytime investor money's coming in, where you're joining forces with somebody else, money's involved, take a look and make sure things are written down correctly, get an attorney.